Hi, my name is Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. Today I'm going to be featuring a couple new products from Avon. This is a gel eyeshadow and this is a gel eyeliner. I'm going to be using both of them as eyeliner and I'm going to talk about them a little bit and I'm going to show you a demo. I did get some products from Avon for free from my local Avon lady, but these products are here being featured on my channel because I like them, not because they were given to me for free. I spent quite a few days testing these out. I'll show you a couple different looks that I did. And let me tell you more about them. So this is the gel eyeshadow in Electric Jellyfish. That's an interesting name, I like that. It's a turquoise, like this. It's meant to be an eyeshadow, but I think it does much better as an eyeliner. So I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics brush with a 7 on it. I don't use that brush often. And I'm going to go in mostly with this side here. And I'm going to just warm up the product. Kind of fix the brush a little bit on the side. And then I'm going to put this here, like on the inner half of my lid, like this. If you're someone who is afraid of blue or afraid of like colored eyeliner, I feel like this might be a good product for you because it's not super vibrant. It's a little bit subtle, both in shimmer and in color. It's not as in your face as it could be. And this goes over eyeshadow. It goes on bare eyes. It goes over just primer, and it also stays on no matter whether it's over primer, over bare eyes, over eyeshadow. It stays on and glides on over all of it. So that's as far as I'm going to go. Now I'm going to switch to the actual eyeliner. No, I guess I could give you a swatch first. I know that looks super intense, but see, it's really not as scary and bold as you think it is. By the way, FMG, which is on the new Avon products, is kind of like their new branding. It stands for Fashion Makeup Glimmer. So here's the gel eyeliner. Both of these products come in different colors. This is a navy and it's called Rainstorm. For this one, I'm taking my liner brow brush from the Mr. Right collection from Too Faced. And you can see that I've been using it a lot lately and playing around with it. I'm going to warm up that product on the brush. Wipe off a little excess. And then this is how I'm going to do my wing. So I've been using it, it's the point going to the corner of my eye and then going that way. And see, I made a little mistake there. What's really good about this is that if you catch it quick, you can just use your finger and clean up the mistake really quick, which is good, especially for someone like me who is not good at eyeliner. I found that these are easy to work with. So then I'm gonna take this the other way now and start drawing a line upwards and decrease the pressure as I go up. And then I'm gonna flip it, put the pointed end there, and drag it in. And I'm always surprised when it comes out good. It's like I said, I'm not an eyeliner person. Oops. Made a mistake, and if I just go like that, and then quickly flip it the other way. Now it's good again. Oh boy, I'm glad I'm messing up in this video because you can see how easily I'm moving that away where I don't want it. And then I'm going to blend it with the Electric Jellyfish shade. Ooh, I didn't catch this little piece in time. And that's okay because this eyeliner, just like the gel eyeshadow, stays on really well. It does come off easily with makeup remover at the end of the day, which is good, but it also stays on during the day. Like if you rub it, for the most part, it stays in place. I think if I had better brushes than these, I would have even better results. Look at this thin line I'm able to get. And if you've seen my videos before, you've seen how quickly my lines can go from thin to a mess because I don't have a lot of experience with eyeliner and I'm not very good at it. But somehow between these brushes and these eyeliners, or one eyeliner, one eyeshadow, I'm able to get the thin lines that I want. And I'll give you a swatch of this one as well. The cars in the background, do you mind? It's like they hear me. All right, now I just put a little mascara on so you could see this could definitely be a finished look, or you could put this over eyeshadow. I almost forgot to mention that, you know, I have hooded eyes and this eye is worse than this eye, but even without primer or any way I wear this, there's no transfer from down here to up here, which is a problem I experience with a lot of eyeliners. This one, no transfer at all. This one, the tiniest little bit that's not even noticeable to other people. I notice it, but other people are not going to notice it. And I have never had anything that does not transfer at all because of my eye shape. And this comes pretty darn close, both of them. So I hope you like this look. I hope you enjoyed me using the products and talking about them. I recommend both of them if you're looking for colorful eyeliners. And like I said, they do have other colors. This one, the eyeliner itself, comes in like a lot of other dark colors, like a deep purple, a brown, and a black. And then the gel eyeshadow comes in, I think, a green, an amber, different colors like that. So if you're looking for gel eyeliner that isn't going to make you poor, then I recommend these for you. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is you're doing. Bye. See you next time.